Hello everyone, today I'm here to share with you how to make a paper apron. It's a fun and simple activity that anyone can do with just a piece of paper. So let's get started. Step 1. Fold the paper in half vertically. Okay, next. Step 2. Infold the paper and fold edge of the top corners into the center line. Okay, next. Step 3. Fold the top edges into the center line. Okay, next. Step 4. Fold the plan in half toward you. Step 5. Fold the wing down, matching the top edges up with the bottom edge of the body. Okay, next. Step 6. Add dumbbell stick tap to the inside of the body. The finished plan should look like this. Okay. For making a paper apron is a fun and easy activity that anyone can do. It only requires a single sheet of paper and a few simple first. Follow the step below to create your own paper apron. And thank you to hgtv.com for the picture and information. Okay, bye bye.